Hello everyone, welcome to Gara Tech again. This is Mustafa, and this time I am going to show you how to solve the Rubik Cubes. This is a tutorial different from the ones I usually do, but I thought I would share this knowledge with you guys. So without any introductions, you know what a Rubik Cubes is, that's why you're watching this video. And before we get going, I need to show you some annotations that you keep in mind. This is called top, this is right, this is left, this is bottom, and this is front, and this is back, which we're not going to work with, but I'd like to show it to you. We have, this is right inverted, left inverted, top inverted, bottom inverted, front inverted, and if you know these annotations, it's going to make you easily solve the Rubik Cubes. So before first part, yes, we need to pick a color and make sure you pick the color you're familiar with, because that makes you comfortable working on this. That's how I feel sometimes. So I'm gonna pick the white color, and the way you pick it, you make sure the centerpiece is the one that has to be white, and it's on the top. And this is the first part we're going to fix. Make sure all this top part is white, and when you bring white color over here, it's gonna have another a color that goes with it, and that color needs to match the centerpiece of the other side. All right, let's work on this. Okay, we pick this part white. If we do this way, still not working because the white part is the wrong spot. So what we do, if you have the piece, the edge piece, this is called edge piece, by the way, and this is called corner piece. Edge piece, edge piece, edge piece, edge piece, corner piece, corner piece, corner piece, corner piece, center piece. All right, so what you need to do, you move either to the right or to the left. So I'm gonna go move to the right, and then the right. Now this color are matching, and then I do right, left, or front inverted. So now we have these colors are matching, perfect. Let's look for another one. Blue, perfect. We have blue here, white, blue here, white here, and blue over here, all the way to the bottom. There we go. And then we do right or bottom, move it to the right. We do right over here, and then move this one to the left, the front part. And now you have matching colors. Let's look for another piece, orange piece. I've solved the Rubik Cube so many times, and this is why you can see them kind of close to here, but the most important part is to look for to solve just the S or the plus sign, and this is what we're looking for. So here you move to the right, you move the bottom part, you do bottom, right, and front inverted, and right over here we solved 3 colors. We still need another piece, which has to be green. Let's look, it's right over here. Move this one to the bottom, bring the bottom part, and then we move this bottom to over here, bring this one up, matching, 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 but we messed up this one. You just bring it back this way, and there you go. The plus sign is the most important part in solving part 1 for Rubik Cubes. Now we have to solve the edge pieces. Edge pieces are 3 colors. Top color needs to match the white. The left color need to match the blue in this case, and the right color needs to match the orange in this case. So let's look for a Rubik Cubes that has orange, the blue, and the white. You don't have to go in this order, but you do whichever you're familiar with or comfortable with. There we go. This needs to go over here, so we bring it all the way into, we bring it to this part right underneath the edge piece. And what we need to do right now is to do bottom inverted, and then you bring this one down, and then you do bottom, and then you do left, and perfect. Now we have the corner side solved, so we can go ahead and work on the second part. Second part, let's look for any white piece that is right over here at the bottom. We don't see any. but we see this one. Let's bring it down. If you do right inverted like that, actually it's kind of useless because the white part is going to go to the bottom of the bottom part, and we don't want that. We need to move to the right and then move it away, and then we bring back our original piece so we don't mess it up. Now it's, as you can see, it's in the center. Let's look for the white piece. Here's the white piece. We need to match it to color, to green and orange. Perfect. This piece needs to go over here. Since we have it on the right side, we need to move it to the left. So we do bottom, and then we do right inverted, then bottom inverted, and then again right. And as you can see, now we're matching. Let's look for, perfect. Now we need the green piece to go over here, the white piece to go over here, and the red piece to go over here. So we have this one exactly when we need it to be. Let's do bottom inverted, left inverted, bottom left, and perfect. We still have one piece which is right over here, blue and red. So we do bottom inverted, left inverted, bottom left, and perfect. Congratulations on fixing the Rubik's Cubes part 1, and I will see you in the next video for part 2.